You think you dodged the financial traps from my last video? Think again. There are 15 more things silently draining your bank account right now. And the worst part is you probably think some of these are actually good decisions. I'm Ryan, and today I'm exposing the financial mistakes that even smart people are making in 2026. If you want to stop hemorrhaging money on things that stopped making sense years ago, smash that subscribe button and drop a like if this opened your eyes to where your money is really going. Here's the reality. Small financial leaks sink big ships. You could be earning six figures and still be broke because of these hidden wealth killers. Let's dive in. Number 1. Premium gas for cars that don't require it. You're spending an extra 50 to 70 cents per gallon on premium fuel because it feels better for your car. But unless your owner's manual specifically requires premium, you're literally burning money. That's $300 to $500 wasted annually on absolutely nothing. Your engine doesn't care. Your wallet should. Number 2, multi-level marketing products. Those essential oils, supplements, and miracle cleaners from your high school friend aren't just overpriced, they're financial traps. You're paying 3 to 5 times retail prices for products you can get cheaper at Target. Stop supporting pyramid schemes disguised as businesses. That $200 monthly auto ship is costing you $2,400 a year for products sitting and used under your sink. Number 3, brand name medications when generics are identical. The FDA requires generic drugs to have the same active ingredients, strength, and quality as brand names. Yet people pay 80% more for a logo. A month's supply of brand name Advil costs $15. Generic ibuprofen? $3. Same exact thing. Over a lifetime, this one switch saves tens of thousands. Your headache doesn't care about branding. Your retirement account does. Number 4, bank fees for basic checking accounts. Overdraft fees, monthly maintenance fees, ATM fees. People are paying $200 to $400 annually for the privilege of accessing their own money. Meanwhile, dozens of banks offer free checking with zero fees. Switching takes 1 hour. That hour saves you $400 yearly. Over 20 years, that's $8,000 plus investment returns. You're literally paying banks to hold your money when free options exist everywhere. Number 5, bottled water when you have clean tap water. The average person spends $500 to $800 annually on bottled water that's often just filtered tap water anyway. Buy a $30 filter pitcher or $150 under sink filter. It pays for itself in weeks. This isn't about being cheap, it's about being smart. That's $700 annually invested at 8% over 30 years becomes $79,000. You're trading retirement security for plastic bottles that end up in landfills. Number 6, paying for priority boarding on flights. You paid $40 to board 10 minutes earlier so you could sit in the same seat for the same flight time? Everyone arrives simultaneously. The overhead space argument is valid occasionally, but most people are paying for an ego boost. That $40 per flight, 4 flights a year, that's $160 annually for literally nothing. Over a decade, that's $1,600 for the privilege of sitting down slightly sooner. Number 7, lottery tickets and scratch-offs. The expected return on lottery tickets is about 50 cents per dollar spent. You're mathematically guaranteed to lose money. The average regular lottery player spends $600 annually. That's not entertainment. That's financial self-harm. Invested properly, that $600 yearly becomes $66,000 over 30 years. You're trading guaranteed wealth for a 1 in 300 million chance at temporary riches. Number 8, pre-cut fruits and vegetables. Those convenient pre-sliced apples and chopped onions cost 3 to 4 times more than whole produce. You're paying $6 for cut watermelon you could buy whole for $4 and cut in 90 seconds. People spend an extra $30 to $50 monthly on pre-cut convenience. That's $600 yearly for someone else to use a knife. Buy whole produce. Learn to use a cutting board. Save thousands. Number 9. Credit card interest because you carry balances. The average credit card interest rate is 24%. If you carry a $5,000 balance, you're paying $1,200 annually in interest for nothing. That money creates zero value. It's pure loss. Pay off those cards. Stop treating them like loans. Every dollar you pay in interest is a dollar that could be building wealth instead. Number 10. Trendy workout classes and boutique fitness. SoulCycle, Barry's Boot Camp, Boutique Yoga. These classes cost $30 to $45 each. Go 3 times weekly? That's $360 to $540 monthly, or $4,000 to $6,000 annually. For fitness, you can get running outside or with a $10 monthly YouTube workout subscription. The workout isn't better because it's expensive. You're paying for ambience and community, not results. Number 11. Paying full price for textbooks. College students spend $500 to $1,000 yearly on textbooks they use for one semester. Rent them online for 70% less. Buy used for 50% less. Share with classmates. Use library copies. The international edition is identical content for a fraction of the price. You're getting scammed by publishers who release new editions that change page numbers but not content. Number 12. ATM fees when using out-of-network machines. That $3.50 ATM fee plus your bank's $2.50 fee means you're paying $6 to access $40 of your own money. That's a 15% transaction fee. Over a year, frequent ATM users pay $200 to $400 in fees. Get cash back at grocery stores. Use your bank's ATMs. Switch to a bank that reimburses ATM fees. Stop paying taxes to access your money. Number 13. Extended warranties on electronics under $500. We covered this before, but it bears repeating. Warranties on small electronics are pure profit for retailers. The failure rate doesn't justify the cost. Self-insure by banking warranty costs instead. Over time, you'll save thousands while building an actual emergency fund. Number 14. Single-use kitchen gadgets that duplicate what you own. Avocado slicers, banana slicers, garlic presses, egg separators. Each one costs $10 to $20 and does what a knife does in 2 seconds. The average kitchen has $200 to $500 worth of single-use gadgets collecting dust. That's money you'll never get back for tools you'll never use. A good knife, cutting board, and basic pan replace 90% of specialty gadgets. Number 15. Paying for cable TV when streaming costs less. I know we covered streaming bundles, but people still pay $120 to $200 monthly for cable with 200 channels they don't watch. Even with multiple streaming services, you'd spend less. Cable companies bank on inertia. Cutting cable saves $1,000 to $1,500 annually. That's $30,000 over 20 years. Stop paying for hundreds of channels to watch the same 5 shows. Here's the truth. Eliminating even 5 of these 15 traps saves you $5,000 to $10,000 annually. That's $100,000 to $200,000 over a decade when invested properly. You don't need a massive salary to build wealth. You need to stop doing what broke people do and start thinking critically about every dollar. The path to financial freedom isn't complicated. Stop buying things you don't need with money you don't have to impress people you don't like. Start keeping more of what you earn. If this video helped you identify even one money leak, hit that like button and subscribe for more financial reality checks. Drop a comment telling me which of these 15 you're guilty of. I'll see you in the next one.